everyone. I am here representing the class of Indian Constitution. We will discuss about the Indian Constitution. But at very first, we need how formation of Indian Constitution. Formation of Indian Constitution. It's a big process after make Indian Constitution and then applied now. Indian Constitution, what was the formation of it? Firstly, it will be start after 1935. Act of 1935 most important role play in Indian Constitution. After that, we reached on 1946 Cabinet Mission. Cabinet Mission was the base of Indian Constitution. Then Mountbatten Planning 1947. It was the division of India, two dominion states, India and Pakistan. We are talking about Constitution Assembly, which was held in 1946. It was the base of Indian Constitution. Constitution Assembly, Savidhan Sabha. Constitution Assembly held a meeting, collect the members and review our Indian Constitution. Constitution Assembly has 389 members. 296 members were elected, 93 members were provisional state. In 296 members, 4 members were Ajmer, Maharashtra Coorg, Delhi and Pondicherry. These are the most important places which was also assimilated in our Constitution Assembly. In Constitution Assembly, Savidhan Sabha के द्वारा, we knows that it's a long process making Indian Constitution for the better administration to Indian people. All types of people took part in Constitution Assembly. We are talking about scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and female also. In Constitution Assembly, scheduled caste member were 33 and scheduled tribes member were 26. Female candidate were numbering 15 like Sucheta Kriplani, Begum Razoot, after making Indian Constitution, 8 female candidates were signed on it. संविधान बनने के बाद 8 महिलाओं के हस्ताक्षर संविधान के ऊपर हैं. It's a most important question arises now here. Indian Constitution written by which person? It's not written by the Constitution Assembly. It's not written by the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Written by Sri Prem Bihari Raizada. It's a person which written our Indian Constitution in English. Then official language is English in our Indian Constitution. All the administration work, formalities, directions passes in English because our Indian Constitution in English. Then our first language is Hindi and second will be English. On the base of Constitution Assembly, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairperson of a drafting committee. Drafting committee has 7 members. They review on Indian Constitution process again and again, and then last verified कि we are able to making Indian Constitution. First Constitution Assembly was held 9 December 1946. Dr. Sajidanand Sinha was the temporary chairman. After that, second planning for Constitution Assembly 11 December 1946. Then Dr. Rajendra Prasad was selected permanent chairman of Constitution Assembly. Then after 2 years, 11 months, 18 days and 2 hours, our Indian Constitution was completely ready for implement. It was ready on 24th Jan, but we implemented on 26th Jan because we first Indian independence celebrate 26th Jan 1930. Then on the same day 26th Jan we implemented on it. Now a word preamble. Preamble किसी भी चीज का प्रीफेस. तो preamble of Indian Constitution, preface of the Indian Constitution, which shows us all the good things, we can say that characteristics of Indian Constitution in preamble, like socialism, secularism, brotherhood, and so many things. Thank you.